The 241, this is a Pico chain that's on it, 3/8 Pico chain. This has 43 cc's and this Pinkway has 63 cc's. It's really the only saw that I have to kind of compare like for size references. It's 20 cc's less than the Pinkway, but let's try it out. What wood this is, but it is kind of rotted in the middle. You can see that there, but that was a nice cut. I love Pico chains. They're so nice. Very nice. I love this saw. I just got this saw a year ago, almost a year ago. And it's like a great block out saw for me.